Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you all people are eagerly waiting for the results date of Eamcet 2020 examination. So finally the Telangana State Council for Higher Education has confirmed results dates of Eamcet 2020 examination. So in this video we will be discussing in detail regarding the results date of Eamcet 2020. So before starting with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So the chairman of Telangana State Council for Higher Education, T. Papireddy sir, said that they are going to release TSMCET 2020 results on October 6. Before they have planned to release these results on October 5, but the JEE Advanced results are going to be out on October 5. Due to this, they have postponed TSMCET 2020 result date. So on October 6, you can check your TSMCET 2020 results on official website of TSMCET 2020. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members. And if you have any doubt, just comment in the comment section and make sure to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.